Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about the benefits of Kotlin programming language. Kotlin is a statically typed programming language that runs on the Java virtual machine. If you know Java already, if you're using Java in your project, it's very easy to learn Kotlin. JetBrains programmers based in Saint Petersburg in Russia started this Kotlin project, and Google also supports Android versions. Kotlin rose from the 65th most popular programming language in 2017 to 27th most popular in 2018. So it's growing. Number of users for Kotlin is really growing. People are more interested because of its easy usage. It's very easy to use. I recently migrated from Java to Kotlin. For last 2 years, I'm using Kotlin. I really like it. That's why I would like to give or explain the benefits of Kotlin programming language to all my subscribers and viewers. So developers often migrate existing Java code to Kotlin language. If you are working on a project, you can inform your team members and saying that we can start using Kotlin. At least try for a POC, like a small project, and show that Kotlin is really nice. What are the key benefits? A Kotlin experience is demand in the market. If you have Kotlin experience, then the demand is really good. You will develop projects faster because they have a lot of internal functions like filter, map, partition, data class, when, inline, etc. So there are so many features they support. You get in hand. It's like ready-made functions. You don't have to spend more time on that. So it's very easy. You will improve the quality of the apps that you develop, applications that you develop. You can use it with existing Java libraries, which is very important. For example, you have already an application running in Java, written in Java, and you want to start including the Kotlin code. It's easy. It's easy and it's possible. So I would say you can start writing Kotlin because it's interoperable, okay, operatable. Big online community to get more support during the development. So there is huge community and there are so many blogs in the online to support and explain the features. If you're stuck with some problem, and in online there is huge community, so you will get the answer for your issues or challenges that you face during the development. Semicolons are optional. Null is a separate type. So immutable programming concept, like you don't have to keep on checking for null, because null is a separate type in Kotlin. So when you write the code, you can decide whether it will be null or not. And it supports extension functions. So if there are third-party classes that you want to extend those functions, for example string, you want to write some more extension functions, you can do it in Kotlin. Flow typing, type inference, for example, you don't have to explicitly say what type you want to assign. Based on the value that you assign, it infer the type. Java code to Kotlin is automatic in Android Studio and IntelliJ. So if you have any Java code you want to convert to Kotlin, it's easy, it's automatic. You have to just drop it in your IntelliJ, and there is command to convert to Kotlin code. Kotlin is regularly updated, so the latest versions you can take and start using it. And it also supports the higher order functions like Lambda. So these are the few benefits. There are more benefits, but I would like to share only few which I know, which I'm used to. So these are the benefits. And what next? You can ask me, like, please start learning the Kotlin basics. I'm also trying to upload some basic videos on Kotlin. If you're really interested, please go ahead and start learning Kotlin basics. And I would say, please do it. After you learn the basics, practice a small project in your GitHub. So start a small project, and then even if your current company, if they don't use Kotlin, I would recommend please start as a pet project. Start using Kotlin, then you will start liking it, and then you'll get influenced, and you can influence your team or the new company or the current company that you're going to join. So I would say learn the basics and practice small projects. Okay, because I was working on Java initially, then I moved to Kotlin. For last 2 years, I'm working on two different projects. I am working on Kotlin and really liking it, and I would like to share this benefits to all my subscribers and viewers. Hope this short video is useful and helpful. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to share, please share. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm going to post a lot of technical videos because I'm passionate about it. Thank you and all the best for your career. Thank you.